Hi, my name's Paul Young, LED Lights for You. I'm the Director and Chief Lighting Engineer at LED Lights for You. So what I wanted to talk to you about today is customer endorsements. Recently we did a factory for a company called GWP in Swindon, or near Swindon at Cricklake, and they were highly delighted with the results, and you'll see on the pictures here that before and after of their factory they wanted more light, but they didn't want to spend on energy. We actually saved them $11,500 a year on their energy bills, and we managed to give them more light. They had 500 lux in the workshops and the production area, and in the warehouse we actually cut down the number of lights by 30%, and they still had 250 lux. So that's a success story. Go and look at them, go and ask them if you want, if you're in Swindon, go and see the results, but really successful. So thank you very much. This is LED Lights for You. Paul Young, thank you.